Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa, aka Missyg, and I'm gonna need you to press that subscribe button before we even begin, okay? So if you've read the title of the video, you know what we're gonna do. We are only going to be using a sponge to apply everything on my face. That's why I already did my eyebrows. And obviously the things that we cannot apply with the sponge, like mascara, we're just going to do it regularly. But everything else, yes. Anything that is possible to apply with this is going to be applied with this. So clearly, to begin, we have to prime, right? So we're going to put a little bit of primer on our spongy. Ugh, I don't know what I think about this. Honestly, I look a little like pale right now and stuff, and that's because it's been so crazy at work. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm supposed to go in at 9, but like, okay, so now that we're all primed, now we are going to put a little bit of foundation. And again, we're gonna put some, don't judge me, my foundation is so dirty, but anyways. And so the reason why I don't like doing this is because your sponge obviously sucks up all, if not most, of your foundation, and it really sucks. Like, the good thing is that this Fenty foundation is medium to full coverage. Or it's just medium, sorry. I lied to you guys for the first and last time. So this Fenty foundation is actually medium coverage. Okay, you guys, now that I'm done putting on my foundation, you know what's next. Next is my concealer. Next is concealer. So this one's gonna be hard, right? Because this concealer is not a squirt like the foundation is, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. So I guess I'm gonna have to take the applicator and like, do you see what I mean? Like, nothing gets on there. So let's try that again. Okay, let's see how this goes. This is the scary part. I'm so scared. Yeah, this, I mean, so it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. Alright, now that we are concealed, I think we're concealed, right? I mean, I could touch up in a couple areas. Yeah, I guess we're completely concealed. Like, it doesn't look that bad. So now that we're concealed, oh my god, I'm forgetting steps, you guys. This is crazy. And honestly, it doesn't really look that bad now that I'm looking at it. But we are going to set. We are going to set, especially under our eyes, because, and obviously this step is easy because I use the blender for this step anyways. So this one is really, really easy, but I'm not really gonna bake. I'm more just gonna set under my eyes. You know, I don't want to bake too much, or especially because when I just noticed that when you do everything with the sponge, it cakes faster. So I just don't want it to cake like that. You guys know what I mean. So we're not gonna let it bake. We're just gonna set it and make sure everything is in place. Make sure everything is in place. Now that that is set, we are gonna do, which is probably gonna be the hardest part of all. You know what, actually, let's contour a little bit. So with my mirror, the exact mirror that I have, I'm gonna contour just a little bit. So let me just contour. Especially my nose. And this is the Fenty Cheeks Out. Put a little bit on the tip. You know what goes after contour? Blush. We're just gonna take some blush and we're gonna put it right above here. Oh my god, that's so pink. No, that's way too much for me. I'm gonna see if I can blend this out. It's way too pink for me. It doesn't look bad like that, I guess. It looks way better. Because when I first put that on, no boo. So now that this side is done and it is blended, what are we gonna do? We are going to take, let's highlight actually. We're gonna highlight and we're gonna leave the hardest step for last, which is the eyes, but I'm not really gonna do much with my eyes. I'm just gonna do like a quick smoky eye, so it's not gonna be much. So yes, so let's see. I can take this highlighter right here and grab this. Alright, so we're gonna take our highlighter and we're gonna do a line like this and we're gonna pat pat pat. I've never did the highlighter with a sponge before. Actually, I've never done most of this with a sponge. What I've done with a sponge is probably just like, obviously my foundation. I've blended in my concealer with it, but all of this extra stuff, never done it. Never ever done it. How does this look, you guys? It looks nice, right? I like it. I actually like it a lot, the way it's coming out. Alright, now that let's take a dark brown. Actually, let's take a light brown first with our brush. And I am just going to... Ooh, this actually applies way better with the sponge. I'm just scared. You seen how fast that went on? I honestly think that they should make sponges like just for your eyes, because this applied really good. Yeah, this applies really good with the sponge. I'm not gonna lie. That part right there. Cool. And this is coming out more of like a purple than a brown, so yeah, just bear with me. this actually doesn't look bad. Alright, so to create the smoky eye effect, I am going to take a dark brown. See how it's really dark. And I am just going to gently, because I'm scared, pat that in. And I'm going to squeeze this a little bit to try to get it into the crease. Oh no. See, this is the part I was scared of, and I knew why. Yeah, that doesn't look good at all. Like at all. Actually looks really bad. Yeah, this looks terrible. Oh my god, what did I do? I mean, for that I might as well just go all out. I might as well just no. I don't like this. But we can't turn back now because we already started. So we can't just give up. So, because this was my, like, this is my fault, honestly. Like, I should have been prepared for this. Anyways, we're gonna take a really light, almost highlight color. I mean, it is a highlight. And we're gonna do our inner lid with this. Oh man, this is so messy right here. This part, yeah. So this is the messy part. I'm just laughing, you guys, and I'm not laughing because I think it's funny. I'm literally laughing because I look so stupid. But anyways, we're gonna continue. Oh my god, this has so much fallout, especially applying it with the sponge. It makes it so much worse, like 1000% worse. Alright, I said I wasn't gonna use a brush, but I'm just gonna use a fan brush really quickly just to fan this off. Alright. Ooh. Now I'm gonna try to do the same thing on the other side. So on this side, I am going to, ooh, no, that's bad. Okay, this is bad. Like, this is terrible. This is actually coming out so ugly. But there's no turning. I should have just not even did eyeshadow, truthfully. Alright, you guys, I'm back with the completed look. How does it look? So it doesn't look that bad when you're far away, but when you get up close, it looks really bad and really cakey. And obviously that's because I used a sponge for everything, for every single step. Obviously except for putting on my lashes, because how is that even possible? So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that by now you pressed that subscribe button. And if you didn't, I'm gonna need you to do it right now. Just pause and press the button. Anyways, for the ones that are subscribed, thank you so much for watching. Give this a big thumbs up.